Hi, I'm Ivy and I'm the owner of this house.
Hi, my name is Win and I'm from the interior fair and I'm the designer for the project.
The theme of the home is modern industrial, and I got the inspiration from the Instagram and also from my interior designer Win.
This is a shop house and from the owner she actually requested a modern feel inside. From outside you actually have the old school vibe, and when you step in basically you have this modern luxe feeling of your color matching and what we have here with glass and full clear painted, special painted coats and a huge island.
My favorite area of my house is the kitchen island, where I can relax my time at this counter, and it has a very clear view to the outside. I can have a relaxing time and a get-together time with my family.
So basically the owners used to stay around the area, and this is a childhood place. So she wants to move back here, and the unit they found was a corner unit and they really love it. But the thing is that the condition of it was really bad. We see great potential in it and to create something wonderful here.
Get an interior designer who they are comfortable with, and also be open to one another's ideas. Yes, I will definitely recommend Le Interior Affairs to the people out there, as I'm very comfortable working with them, and as my place was actually a very rundown place, a rundown shop house, and they managed to complete this project within my required time frame.
Bye! Thank you for watching!
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.